On the eve of New Year, a special puja was held at the Gangamma temple in Beraganahalli village. Hundreds of people from neighboring villages, including villagers, came to worship. Kesri and chitrana were distributed to people who had arrived there. Some devotees who went home after eating the prasada had vomited and got diarrhea in the evening. The sick were immediately admitted to the Srinivasapura Taluk Government Hospital. More than 50 villagers, including 19 children, were admitted to various hospitals. Doctors and police inspected the site. About 10 people were discharged and sent home after recovering. The Srinivasapura police visited the site and registered a case against the temple administration.
ఇదో వయసులో ఉన్న